Lesson: Regulatory Landscapes for Blockchain Technology. Regulatory landscapes for blockchain technology present a complex array of challenges and opportunities for governance and compliance professionals. The decentralized and borderless nature of blockchain technology disrupts traditional regulatory systems, necessitating a nuanced understanding of how to navigate these evolving frameworks. This lesson aims to equip professionals with actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks to effectively manage compliance in the blockchain domain, offering strategies to address real-world challenges. Blockchain technology, characterized by its decentralized ledger system, poses unique regulatory challenges due to its capacity to operate independently of traditional centralized authorities. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are striving to establish frameworks that balance innovation with consumer protection, financial stability, and fraud prevention. A critical aspect of understanding blockchain regulation involves recognizing its interplay with existing financial and data protection laws. For instance, the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union presents a significant challenge for blockchain applications due to the difficulty of enforcing the right to be forgotten on an immutable ledger. One of the primary tools for navigating regulatory landscapes is a comprehensive compliance framework that aligns blockchain activities with local and international regulations. Such frameworks can be developed using established compliance methodologies like the Compliance Management System, which integrates the identification, assessment, and mitigation of compliance risks. CMS is instrumental in ensuring that blockchain applications adhere to anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements, which are paramount in preventing the misuse of blockchain for illicit activities. An effective CMS involves continuous monitoring and updating of compliance protocols to keep pace with regulatory changes, thereby minimizing the risk of legal repercussions. Practical examples of successful compliance frameworks are evident in jurisdictions like Switzerland, where regulatory clarity has fostered innovation in blockchain technology. The Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority has established clear guidelines for initial coin offerings, categorizing tokens into three types: payment, utility, and asset tokens. This categorization enables businesses to align their blockchain projects with specific regulatory requirements, streamlining the compliance process. Such regulatory clarity not only promotes compliance, but also attracts blockchain enterprises by providing a stable and predictable legal environment. Furthermore, the United States offers a case study in regulatory complexity due to its fragmented regulatory system, where multiple agencies, like the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, have overlapping jurisdiction. The SEC's approach to classifying cryptocurrencies as securities based on the Howey test illustrates the intricacies of applying traditional legal frameworks to blockchain technology. Professionals must adopt a proactive approach by engaging with regulatory bodies and participating in industry groups that advocate for clear and consistent regulations. This engagement not only aids compliance, but also influences policy development by providing regulators with insights into the practical implications of their decisions. Another critical element in navigating blockchain regulatory landscapes is the implementation of robust data protection mechanisms. Blockchain technology's inherent transparency and immutability can conflict with data privacy regulations, necessitating innovative solutions like zero-knowledge proofs and off-chain storage for sensitive data. Zero-knowledge proofs allow data to be verified without revealing the data itself, preserving privacy while maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. These cryptographic tools are essential for compliance with data protection laws and exemplify how technical adaptations can resolve regulatory challenges in blockchain applications. Moreover, cross-border transactions facilitated by blockchain technology require compliance with international regulatory standards. The Financial Action Task Force has developed guidelines for virtual asset service providers to mitigate risks associated with money laundering and terrorist financing. These guidelines emphasize the importance of implementing AML and KYC processes across jurisdictions, necessitating a global approach to compliance. Professionals must leverage blockchain's transparency features, such as traceability and auditability, to demonstrate compliance with these international standards. Innovative regulatory sandboxes provide a practical framework for testing blockchain applications in a controlled environment, enabling regulatory bodies to assess their impact before full-scale deployment. Regulatory sandboxes, as implemented in the United Kingdom by the Financial Conduct Authority, allow businesses to experiment with new technologies under regulatory supervision, fostering innovation while ensuring compliance. This approach encourages collaboration between regulators and innovators, facilitating the development of regulations that accommodate technological advancements without stifling progress. To effectively navigate the regulatory landscapes for blockchain technology, professionals must prioritize ongoing education and training in blockchain governance and compliance. This involves not only understanding existing regulations, but also anticipating future developments and their potential impact on blockchain applications. Staying informed through industry conferences, workshops, and certification programs like the Certified Blockchain Governance and Compliance Specialist ensures that professionals remain at the forefront of regulatory developments. In conclusion, the regulatory landscapes for blockchain technology are complex and constantly evolving, requiring professionals to adopt comprehensive compliance frameworks, engage with regulatory bodies, and leverage technical innovations to address regulatory challenges. By understanding the interplay between blockchain technology and existing regulations, and by utilizing practical tools and frameworks, professionals can effectively navigate these landscapes, ensuring compliance while promoting innovation. As the regulatory environment continues to develop, maintaining a proactive approach and fostering collaboration between regulators and industry stakeholders will be crucial in shaping a sustainable and compliant future for blockchain technology.